We are getting reaction tonight to the Supreme Court leak from the United States Conference of Catholic Bishops. In a statement, Archbishop William Lori, the chairman of the Bishop Committee on Pro-Life Activities, writes in part, the leak reminds us of the urgent need for prayer and action at this pivotal moment in our country. The Archbishop of Baltimore adds, as Catholics, we care about every unborn child and every mother. Our church has consistently witnessed in word and deed that life begins at the moment of conception. He continues, we hope and pray for a change in our laws and stand ready to help all pregnant women in need in each of our communities. And since Monday night's leak, the finger pointing on Capitol Hill has intensified. Democrats are vowing to take action if Roe versus Wade is overturned. Meanwhile, Republicans say the leak has jeopardized the integrity of the court. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales begins our team coverage from outside of the nation's highest court. Erik.
Well, Tracy, emotions are certainly running high inside the halls of Congress as the protests continue outside the nation's highest court. There are really two issues at stake here, one of which is the decision in the case itself and also the investigation into the leak. Democrats claim if the decision is in fact holding up and will be true, then it will put the lives of women in danger, their lives throughout the nation.
It's not going to fall hardest on well-to-do women. They can afford to get on a plane and go to another state where abortion is legal. They can afford to leave the country. Who this is going to fall hardest on is going to be on poor women.
Be prepared, because this culture war is going to take us beyond abortion. It's going to take us into family planning, the rights of those who are LGBTQ, and certainly gay marriage.
Democrats say Republicans will pay at the ballot box if the Supreme Court overturns Roe.
They know they're on the wrong side of history. They know they're on the wrong side of where the American people are. They know they'll pay consequences in the 2022 elections.
Republican Senator Bill Cassidy, a doctor, tells me abortion is bad enough, but he says Democrats want to go further.
So the baby's being born, and there are Democrats who would say even then you can abort. Now that's not an abortion. That is a life that is incipient, which is destroyed.
Democrats accuse some justices nominated by President Donald Trump of lying during their confirmation hearings, but Senator Kevin Cramer says that's not the case.
When people get nominated and then confirmed to the Supreme Court, whatever they think before they hear a case, things can change when they hear a case. I mean, that's why they hear cases.
It destroys the ability to talk among yourselves, form consensus. The last thing the court needs is a political firestorm.
Whoever did this leak should be prosecuted and should go to jail for a very long time. This has shaken the independence and the ability of the judiciary to function.
Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer tells me as soon as next week the Senate will take a vote to codify Roe, but that will require 60 votes to get that done. And right now, Democrats don't have those votes. And also, Senator Joe Manchin of West Virginia has already said that he will not vote for a filibuster. Reporting outside the Supreme Court, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.